Good morning, friends. Today we will start a new chapter. The name of this lesson is A Bicycle in a Good Repair. So, here in this chapter, we will study. Let's begin with the first page, very first page of this chapter. Here, the two boys are in this chapter. One is your narrator, and the next boy is another boy. His name is not given in this lesson, so let's take him as another boy. So the next boy, he asked narrator one day that let's go for a bicycle ride early in the morning. So narrator said, okay, fine, I will wake up early in the morning and we'll go for the bicycle ride. So what he did, narrator, he put lot of effort for waking up in the morning because he was a late riser. But although he did all the hard work to get up early in the morning, and he came at that destination half an hour before, but the next boy, he arrives there half an hour late, and when he came there half an hour late, what a stupid question he asked from narrator, that your machine, which kind of machine you are having. He was saying that bicycle as a machine, and what he was asking, how does this machine run? It means he is thinking this bicycle, that how it run. Of course everyone knows how a bicycle run. So on this, the narrator gave him an answer. He said ki easily enough. It means as all bicycle used to run with pedal, so same mine also working. But later on, when they were talking, suddenly that boy grabbed the front wheel of this bicycle and tried to shook him very violently. Tried to shook it very violently. Then the narrator was saying, don't do this, otherwise you will hurt my bicycle. But that boy, he was not listening to him. Later on, what he said, wait, your front wheel is not in a proper condition. I know very much about machine. Let me correct your front wheel. Let me repair your front wheel for you. And what he asked from the narrator, just bring me a hammer from your tool shed. First, the narrator was shocked when he asked for an hammer. When he asked for a hammer, so he was so shocked. But later on, he thinks ki maybe this boy is speaking right, maybe he knows something about machine. So he thought ki let's give him hammer. Let's if he will repair the cycle, then it will be okay for me also. So he went to his tool shed for bringing hammer for him. So what happened next? When he returned back, what the view he saw over there, he saw that boy was sitting on the ground, and all over around him there were small nuts, small parts of the cycle was opened and lying on the ground. And what he was doing, he was sitting with that front wheel between his legs, and he was playing with that front wheel. So this was the scenario when he was returning from that place. Later on, what happened, when he saw this boy coming, narrator coming, he shouts on him and asks him, just hold on, hold this balls and bearing, otherwise we'll lose it, and there will a difference come in machine if we'll not find every balls and bearing, it means nuts. So the time when he opened the bicycle, that time he opened like a very careless person. He threw everything everywhere, but now he is shouting on the narrator to hold them. So this kind of boy he was, without any permission, without waiting for the narrator, he opened it, and now he's shouting on him to grab all them. So this much we had done here. Later on, there are some comprehensions. We'll discuss this comprehension in our class. So let's continue with the second part. What is there in the second part of the story? Yes, here in the second part,